Today, I would like to discuss Item Beauty Lid Glaze Reviews, a legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our product. If you have never ordered anything from this website or this product, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of the question, should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this product, then watch this video till the end, as I will share a way to get your money back. So friends, without any delay, let's get started. The Lid Glaze Hydrating Jelly Eyeshadow is an eyeshadow which you can apply over your eyes to get a shimmering effect. This particular product comes in 7 different colors like the shimmering bronze, the lilac tridescent, pink golden iridescent, and other 4 colors. Friends, this particular product can be applied on your lips as well as on your eyes. It is an eyeshadow, but the company suggests that this particular product can also be applied on your lips. As you can see that this product comes with infused with hydrating sodium hyaluronate. Friends, this helps the product to glide over any surface like your lips or your eyes when you apply this product. Here they have mentioned in detail how you can apply this particular product. You can take the lip color and apply it over your lips as well as eyes to get the shimmering effect. If you do layers of this product, then you can get more pigmentation from this product. Friends, as you can see that this particular product comes with an applicator brush inside a tube, which is very easy to apply. In the United States market, this product is retailing for $14. Now friends, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now friends, let us talk about those important points on which we can judge if this product is a legit or a scam product. So, when we look at the specifications, we can see that they have given complete list about the ingredients of this product, as well as they have also mentioned the weight of the product, which is 37 FLOZ. Friends, this product was released in the market in August 2020. Therefore, this product is not that old, but this product has gained a lot of popularity. Now, let us look at the customer reviews about this product. Guys, as you can see that the website of the product has posted customer reviews about the product. Here, most of the customers have given the product 5-star rating. Friends, on this website only positive 5-star reviews are mentioned about this product. Now let us look at the social media presence. As you can see that they have given the social media presence for this product, and these are clickable icons, which is a good sign. When we went through the social media pages of this product, we found mixed reviews of this product, but the website has only featured positive reviews about this product. Friends, do comment about your experience on this product in the comment section below. Now, based on all the claims and all the checkpoints, we would like to conclude that the product Lid Glaze Hydrating Jelly Shadow is a legit product. But friends, we would suggest that you go through all the details and the shades available before buying this product. If you have any experience with this product, then do not forget to write your comments in the comment section below. You can also get your money back by checking our links in the description. Friends, we read all your comments on every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, then please subscribe to our channel. Be informed and be safe.